As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we have another mail call from our friend Jay over at Jay's Diecast Creations. If you guys haven't checked out Jay's channel before, please go check him out. Link will be up here, and link will be down below. So make sure you go check out Jay if you haven't already. I know a lot of you already have, but just in case if you're new to YouTube and you're new to my channel, go check him out. Anyways, let's get started. So this box actually was a box for a trade deal, and I did send him some cars, including Miss Amanda's Ferrari and a couple other things. So that will be sent to him momentarily, and we are going to get into this, so let's jump into it. So I already unboxed it from the box, and it came in this very shiny but very cool box that I'm going to keep. But this is cool, so let's jump into it. Let's open it up. So as I see here, we have a note. I'm going to check that out in a minute. And we have a Jay's Diecast Creation sticker. I'm actually very happy to have this because it will be going on the wall where all the other stickers go. So Jay, thank you. Let's now move on to the note. Hang on, let me make sure there is nothing address wise on here. Okay, no. So what Jay sent us is, hey Cole, sorry for the delay, things have been a bit crazy lately. Enclosed is the sticker and the castings we spoke about as promised. Thank you for the support as well as participating in the Free the Ferrari build off for Amanda's birthday. Jay. Of course, man, not a problem. And thank you for the note, Jay. You know where this is going to go. It's going to go in my notes drawer for now, but it will be eventually laminated and put onto the wall. So thank you for the note, my friend. Now, let's put this stuff to the side and let's see what we got in our deal. I do remember what we got, but I wanna show you guys and show you what we got here because I remember it was some cool stuff. So there was more than I remember, actually. I lied. So you know what we're gonna start with is this Chrysler 300, and my plan with this car is I'm gonna use it for a parts, because I'm probably gonna siphon that steering wheel and whatever other parts come off this thing. So I was planning on doing a a gas lines build with it, so it'd be something a little different, and it's a Chrysler, so it would keep my theme of cars around here. So that's pretty cool. The next one is this 71 Johnny Lightning Challenger, and it's in that racing pink. I really like this car because it's different, and honestly, I would like to restore it. The glass is broken out of it, but I think I have another Johnny Lightning, and the glass should fit in it, so we'll have to see. That one's pretty cool too. The next car I got in the deal was this Donk 442 Olds. I know this is a newer casting, and I probably could have found it, but when I saw this, it was just like one I had to have. So I was like, you know what? I can do something cool with this, and I plan on swapping these wheels out and painting it with a cool metallic paint job. So I already got plans for that, and that'll be a future video for sure. And then the last car we got was this I think it's a Barracuda, if I remember. Yep, it's a Barracuda. It's a 1969 Barracuda, and it has the engine, and it's just cool. And I thought it would be a very nice car to do a redline custom on. So I plan on getting the redline wheels and painting it in like a Spectraflame paint. So that's cool. So guys, this was just a very quick mail call and a quick video. Also, I wanted to thank Jay for sending me these cars. I really appreciate it, man. And I also appreciate the note and the sticker. And if you guys want to purchase or get in contact with Jay, go check out Jay's Diecast Creations on YouTube, and he can hook you up with a sticker. And before I leave here, I have to tell you that he is also on Instagram, so go follow him on Instagram. If you want to get in contact with him, you can contact him on there too. So that's cool. Guys, this is Cole over at the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
This video is sponsored by Hobbytown. Hobbytown is an awesome hobby store where you can find all your hobbies' wants and needs. They provide everything from your tools and supplies to an awesome variety of paints, from spray paints to paints for your airbrush. To find your local Hobbytown, you can go to www.hobbytown.com to use the store locator at the top center of the homepage to find the closest store near you. Again, the website to use is www.hobbytown.com. Remember, we make your free time awesome.
Also, guys, before I go, I wanted to say I did get my stickers back in stock. Sticker Meal down here did hook me up again. So if you guys are interested in the sticker, it is $2 for one and $3 for $5. Also, just so you know, it is free shipping to anywhere in the United States. So just let me know and contact me on my social media. Bye, guys.